Hello! Ayan, today kasama ko si ate. Mag-unboxing kami. Show you one. Look. Oh. You go first?
No, you.
I go first. Ayan. Sabi ko samahan niya ako sa video.
Otherwise, babayaran.
Kundi babayaran niyo to. Pag kasama siya sa video, free na to. Okay, go.
Ikaw first.
No!
Sabihin mo na yung gusto mo dito.
Yes. I wanna get this one, the black one. Hanip nga pag hindi siya black.
Close your eyes before you look.
Wait, not yet.
Don't look at the bag or something.
Ayan. Sana black. Pag may tenga to, hindi siya yun. Eh, may tenga.
Lahat may tenga.
Lahat may tenga. Ayan. Unboxing natin siya. Ay, I don't like this.
Yung bear!
The bear one.
Cookie?
Look.
That's so cute.
It's
Yung
okay.
the eyes move.
Is it a keychain?
Yeah.
Parang hindi siya keychain.
Chain.
Where's the ano?
Eto.
Okay.
Ito yun.
Maganda naman siya. Pero gusto ko makuha yung black eh. Kaso hindi ko nakuha yung black. Baka sa'yo black.
Ito. Uy.
Jamar, gabi na. Dali eh. You.
My turn. I want either these two. Either.
Sana yung black.
Ayoko.
Kundi palit tayo. Meron kaming ano. Dalihan mo na.
Okay.
Mahal nito eh. Ganito lang yung buwa ko.
Oh no! Yung gusto mo to! It's the one you want. I felt
Really?
I felt the ears.
No!
I don't want this one.
I like the black one.
No, drop yung key.
Ate, this one.
Ate, para sa'yo na.
You can have the brown one. Hindi, Gemma. Ay, I like the black one.
Wait, actually, it's kind of cute.
Yeah, but you don't like black.
I don't mind it.
No, you can have that. No, you can have this. Here's the card. Look at that.
Kuromi.
And my one is this one.
Cookie.
See? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.